Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick little recap video of how we traded Tesla and SPY today. There was a lot of crazy stuff with Trump, releasing a lot of news with the tariffs, executive orders that he's signing. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how we went about it today. So today, the first trade we took, which was Tesla here, had a big gap down. The whole market just gapped down because of what happened on Friday, because of all the tariff news that was coming out. Trump, remember, is putting tariffs on Mexico, Canada, China, and I think now he's gonna be doing it for the EU. So that's what's rocking the market at the moment. But again, going back into Tesla here, you had this big breakdown here, right? So now, why I took the trade that I took here was because, again, following my strategy of breakouts, right? When this support level was being tested earlier in the morning, this candle right over here, this was my signal. Once it broke this red line here, was my signal to enter short. So I entered short here, had a very clear target of targeting this orange line down here. Now, as this was trading down, I had taken profits along the way, which was about a third of my position. So that was a decent win there, targeting as low as down here, which was the earnings low, but didn't get down here. But then comes Trump with I think he came out of nowhere with the postponing of Mexico's tariffs at around 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock basically. And this caused the market to just rocket. Tesla rocketed, everything just went up. So we had to cut our positions earlier. Well, at least I cut my position earlier. So ended up still a winner. Didn't take any loss on this play here, which was a great winner. Again, this is how I try to manage risk when we take these trades. So we're keeping losses at a minimum. We want to maintain profits as much as we can here, okay? And that's all we do in the Discord. I try to do that all the time. And good practice is going to go a long way. So then we took a SPY trade. So had a not so good of a SPY trade. And that's because, again, just throughout the day, and I'll go into even in the 5-minute right here, the right side, this chart on the right side is SPY here. You can see a lot of this indecision in the market that was happening. Every I would say half an hour or hour, there was something coming out that would rock the market up and down, and a lot of people were getting faked out left and right. So it was pretty tough to trade today, especially if you're doing short-term trades like 0DTE, which was the trade that I had gotten into myself. And actually what I did was I took a short position like right over here. So you see right over here, I'll make it a little bigger, and I'll even draw it out for you guys when I can find my brush here. But right over here, I think I took it right over here, right? Well, let me make that a little bit better. Right over here. Sorry, messed it up. This area right here. I took the short position, right? It looked like I was gonna keep breaking down, and then it popped back up again, because again, a lot of this tariff stuff was coming out of nowhere. So then ultimately I had to get out of that position for, again, a minor loss, and then it just kept ripping up higher, right? So stuff like that's gonna happen all the time when you're trading. And just always, you gotta have to make sure that you have a plan for when you're exiting, when you're entering, even before you enter the trade, right? I try to preach this in the Discord so everybody understands that at the end of the day, you have to manage your risk, right? So that's exactly what we're doing here, what I'm trying to do with these trades here. Overall, you want to be profitable as much as you can, and you have to have a predefined risk. So hope this video helps you in kind of gauging how we went today. We're ready for another big week this week with a lot of data coming out. So if you guys want to try out the Discord for free, 7 days, cancel anytime, you're more than welcome to. Any questions, you can shoot me a DM. Here to help. Talk to you guys.